His abduction and death shook New York City and frankly changed the way parents raise their kids across the country. In his face, the first to stare at us from a milk carton, ultimately elevating missing children nationwide.
6-year-old Aaron Patz disappeared while walking to his bus stop in Soho in 1979. Tonight, a federal appeals court granting a new trial to Pedro Hernandez, the man convicted of murdering Aaron.
ABC News senior investigative reporter Aaron Katersky is here with more. So, Aaron, what happened here?
This has to be one of the most devastating conviction reversals ever for the Manhattan District Attorney's Office, Mike, and for the family of a boy who disappeared in 1979. When Pedro Hernandez was found guilty in 2017 of kidnapping and murder after 2 trials, the family of little Aaron Patz finally thought it had some closure.
I am truly relieved, and I'll tell you, it's about time. It really is. It's about time.
5 years to life in prison for Pedro Hernandez. He served about 13 so far, but now a federal appeals court said he must be retried or released because of an error by the trial judge. Hernandez confessed on video to luring Patz into a basement as the boy walked to his school bus in Soho, but his initial confession came before police read him his rights. And when the jury asked whether it must disregard both confessions, the judge said the answer is no. Today's opinion said that instruction was clearly wrong and the error was manifestly prejudicial. At the time, one of the jurors told us it was a tough case.
It's not a black and white case. There's a lot of gray, and to have a doubt is one thing. To define it as reasonable is something very different.
Now the Manhattan District Attorney's Office must decide whether to put Pedro Hernandez on trial again.
The defense has a little bit of an edge here. They know what's coming at them, and they can prep in that respect. But what they can't prep against is that video of their client walking through this crime scene, explaining what he did. All of that, also the admissions he made on tape, and also his admissions to other people.
Pedro Hernandez has already been in prison 13 years, and his attorney says he now wants the charges to be dropped. A spokeswoman for the Manhattan District Attorney, Alvin Bragg, said, "We are reviewing the decision."
I can't imagine what Aaron's family is going through right now hearing this decision.
In fact, Aaron Patz's family moved out of state, I think to Hawaii, finally feeling like they had closure in New York.
And
only
justice was served.
And justice served, only to get the phone call they got.
And those wounds reopened all over again.
Okay. Aaron, thank you so much.